The first step in crafting the life you want is to get rid of everything you don't. Don't let yesterday take up too much of today. Life is a great big canvas, and you should throw all the paint on it you can.
Life is a journey, and if you fall in love with the journey, you will be in love forever. Great minds discuss ideas, average minds discuss events, small minds discuss people.
With a new day comes new strength and new thoughts. When obstacles arise, you change your direction to reach your goal. What is called genius is the abundance of life and health. We are all born ignorant, but one must work hard to remain stupid. Treating someone as second class never gets you first class results. Today is always the most productive day of your week.
The biggest asset in the world is your mindset. It is never too late to be what you might have been. Things work out best for those who make the best of how things work out.
Happiness consists not in having much, but in being content with little. Don't watch the clock. Do what it does. Keep going.
I've got a tutorial in an hour and I haven't had any time to prepare for it. I think the university's main campus is closed. Distance learning has become far more popular these days. The college welcomes students from all over the world. You should raise your concern with head of school. Essays should be typed with double space on white paper. Please hand in assignments at the main office. They were struggling to pay their fees last year. England is parliamentary democracy and constitutional monarchy. Most of the criticism can be shown to be false. Without doubt his primary motive was economics. Please have the copies of your seminar papers in the library a week in advance. If your parents come to visit you this semester, where will they stay? Of course, you can also choose to have your grades emailed to you. He was not the only one to call for legal reform in the 16th century. Make sure you correctly cite all your sources. He started his tutorial presentation right on time. All students are encouraged to vote in the forthcoming elections. The university has world-renowned School of Archaeology. The meeting will take place in the main auditorium.
The best way to appreciate your job is to imagine yourself without one. The secret to getting ahead is getting started. The best way to predict the future is to create it. Don't be pushed around by the fears in your mind.
The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams.
You'll find the economics section on the second floor of the library. The only way to do great work is to love what you do.
Advanced technologies have transformed the way we communicate and interact. Learning a new language can open doors to exciting opportunities. Despite the heavy rain, they decided to continue their hike in the mountains. The professor explained the topic with great enthusiasm and clarity. Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Folks are usually about as happy as they make their minds up to be.
A computer virus destroyed all my files.